Hello and welcome back. In the last video I showed you how to make a double crochet. Now I'm going to show you how to make half double crochet. For that I've used the same yarn and 3.5 mm hook, and I'm continuing with the same stitches that I've made. I've made double crochets here. I just want to show you the difference in double crochet and half double crochet. So you have to repeat the same thing. In case you're doing it separately, make a slip knot and then make 15 chains, and then you skip the first 2 stitches and go to the 3rd stitch and make the half double crochet. So let me show you. That is for the foundation row. If you're doing it in other rows, you will have to chain 2 instead of skipping the 2 stitches as in the foundation chain. Chain 2 and then turn your work. Okay, turn your work. And then this is the first stitch. You don't need to make a half double crochet in here unless the pattern specifies so. Otherwise you have to go to the next stitch here in the 2nd stitch. This is the first stitch, that is, you see at the bottom of the chain 2 here. This is chain 2 and this is the bottom of the stitch. That is the first stitch. You skip that, go to the next one. So let me show you how to make the half double crochet. You have to yarn over just like the double crochet and then insert your hook in the 2nd stitch here and then yarn over and pull through. So you have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. In double crochet you just take 2 stitches separately and then the next 2, but in half double crochet you will have to pull all the 3 loops together. So yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch here and then yarn over and pull through. So you have 3 loops on your hook. All you have to do is yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops together. 1, 2 and 3. So that's done. That's half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch here, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all the 3 stitches. So that's half double crochet. Let me show you when I come to the end of the row. So I've come to the end of the row. You have 2 more stitches. How do I know? I made 15 chains and I skipped 2. So take away 2 stitches from 15 is it makes 13. So you should have 13 stitches altogether. See in the row 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I have 13 double crochets. Let me see. If you get confused, you have to check, count the number of stitches you have. 1, 2, 3. This chain 2 is also counted as double crochet or half double crochet, whichever you're doing. Chain 2 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I need 2 more half double crochets to complete this row. So yarn over and this you see the double crochet here. On top of this is a stitch. So insert your hook and then yarn over and pull through. You have three loops, yarn over and pull through all the three. So the last one, you have made chain 2 in the previous row, so on the top one, that is a second chain, you will have to insert your hook. So yarn over, this is a second chain, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all the three. So as you can see, this is double crochet and this is half double crochet. It's I would say half or 3/4 size of the double crochet that you have made. It's smaller than the double crochet. Yeah, you can alternate this pattern like double crochet, half double, double crochet, half double, double crochet, half double, and see how it works out. So this is half double crochet.